So here's the water main. That's the right of way, obviously. But I'm thinking for the private locator, if he comes here, he can connect. It's all copper. All right. Backflow preventer. He can connect to that. He can basically follow the main, and then he'll know how the water, if it's running under the trailers or if it's running on each street. So I think he can do that with the water. Same way on both locations. This is the west side and then the east side. Here's a valve too. The sewer here, the deepest point for the west side, these guys just popped open this last clean out. Right here, it's 5 feet deep. So nothing's deeper than 5 feet, which we can most likely gonna do this main here at 5.5. We don't want to go too deep. That way we don't have to dig that much. So over there, I think we'll stay at 4 feet deep with the water. The west side will stay at 5.5. This west side is going to be 3 mains. Same thing, same situation with the sewer. We don't have to worry about it. We know where it's running. You can see the trenches. All right, you can see everything. So there's going to be 3 mains. Nothing on that side. We're not touching that one. I think that's where Scott said not to dig over there, which we don't have to. Those trailers over there, we can get it from the other side. That's the east side. 3 mains, one here, and then there's another one on the other side. As you can see, you see that trench right there, the asphalt cut? In all the laterals, you see exactly how it's running. So in this case, our water is basically going to be on the left side of the sewer, right here, our main. Again, all power and fiber are above ground. I'm pretty sure it is because every pole, and I'll record it so you can see, like the fiber, they're attached to the pole. And I see a pipe, you see all the wires above ground, and you can see all the cables for each trailer for their electrical and stuff going above ground. That's why I believe that's the case for everything. Here's the second main. Same thing here. You can see all the laterals for the sewers. Sewer mains running right here. So these here are going to be pretty shallow. If it's 5 feet over there, this main here is going to be about 4 or 3 feet deep. All right. So our water line basically will be right here. And I will say as close as we can get to the middle. That way we can feed both trailers. On this west side, we also believe that the water and gas will run under the trailers. Again, that's a good thing. That means when we bore and excavate, we won't hit them. Here's another light pole. And then this is the last main here. As you can see, sewer mains running here, the laterals, so our water basically. In this situation, since those trailers will be attached to that main, we're going to do our main as close as we can here to the property, so that way we can only excavate a little bit here. We did pop open some clean outs, and these here are only a foot and a half deep, so very shallow. That's how it is, guys. So we did walk where we have access in the middle of the trailer, and we see the gas. We see the gas and the water right in the middle. Okay, that's gonna be concluding this video.